is Savannah Rodgers, and I'm in public speaking online, and this is speech 4. And then these are my co-workers. This is Jake, Sam, Lou, and Cameron, and then the camera woman is Brooklyn. Alrighty. So makeup, perfume, body wash. Our everyday luxuries that we take for granted can be an animal's hell. There are many companies that still do animal testing. As I'm an animal lover myself, I couldn't imagine putting an animal through such torture, as I'm sure most people could not. Animals have feelings and rights, and they should be treated accordingly. Today I'm going to discuss why animal testing should be banned. Animal testing is when companies take their products and test them on animals before dispersing them to the public. They allow testing on animals because they are technically not human. But I know of plenty of people that consider their pet as their family, as I do. It harms animals and it puts them through a lot of pain. Animals go through horrific experimentation so that companies can make money and sell their product. Not only do they go through pain and suffering with testing, but they're locked up in cages for their lifetime. Animals like this can be people's pets or be in the wild where they can be free. No animal should ever be held in a cage for its entire life. Animals have rights and feelings, and they should be treated like they're humans too. According to PETA, each year more than 100 million animals are killed in U.S. laboratories for biology lessons, medical training, curiosity-driven experimentation, and chemical, food, and cosmetics testing. Animals die at the hands of scientists in laboratories every day when they're supposed to be improving our society and they're supposed to be making advancements. Animals go through so much pain and suffering that isn't necessary. Now that we have discussed what animal testing is, we're going to discuss who is cruelty-free. Some companies include Aveda, Urban Decay, Elf, Yes2, Physicians Formula, and many more. These right here are just some of the companies that are cruelty-free. There's a long list of them that we couldn't fit into the speech. And the companies that are cruelty-free, they have a leaping bunny logo, and it shows that they're cruelty-free and so that you know which product to buy. According to PETA, the 2016 beauty company has joined PETA's Beauty Without Bunnies program, officially confirming 2016 as the year of vegan, meaning that more and more companies are making the switch. Now that we have discussed who is cruelty-free, we're going to talk about some other options that can be used. There are other ways of obtaining results that companies can use, such as they use the human skin cells so they can see what harms humans and so that they know what products to use. They've also done tons of research so that they know what already harms so they can use products for that. The Humane Society stated, as cosmetic companies can already create great products using thousands of available ingredients that have a history of safe use and do not require any new testing. Modern methods combine human cell-based tests and sophisticated computer models to deliver human-relevant results at less cost and in less time than animal tests. Companies have other options. Some use them while others unnecessarily still test on animals. Now that we have talked about the options that can be used, we're going to talk about ways that we can make a difference. Ways that we can make a difference is deciding what companies that we buy from and what products that we use. Like I already said, that they had the Leaping Bunny logo so that we know which one to pay for. Change for Animals Foundation has a list of things you can do with don't buy products tested on animals listed first. This is huge because what we buy reflects a lot on us. We're supporting and endorsing the company that tests on animals. With everyone taking initiative and more people buying cruelty-free products, then the companies will end up losing profit off of their product and they'll have to make a change because their main goal at the end of the day is to earn money and keep their customer base happy. And so animals should not be tortured so that a company can make money off of people. With all the money that companies are making off people, they should be able to have other ways of obtaining their results. And it's not that hard, as other companies, as you've already seen, are cruelty-free. Another way we can make a change is educating ourselves. Like any issue that we have in this world, we need to educate ourselves so that we can do better and make a change. With educating ourselves, we know what products are tested on animals, and so that way we know what to buy and we know what's going to hurt them. Another way we can make a change is writing to legislation so that they can create an act so it protects animals from being in such testing. Another way is writing to companies about our opinions. The more feedback they get, the more likely they're to switch over to cruelty-free. And other than that, it's mainly just spreading the word so that more people will talk about it, because most people aren't aware that they still test on animals and animals actually die from this. In conclusion, animals have rights and should not be subjected to such torture just so we can have our favorite mascara. Animal testing is inhumane and it should be banned. Thank you.